In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a VHS effect in CapCut. It's a super easy process and only takes a few minutes, so be sure to watch to the end and follow along with each step to achieve that nostalgic, retro look for your video. To start things off, open up your CapCut project on your device and make sure you've imported the video clip that you want to apply the VHS effect to. Once you've got your video ready and waiting in the timeline, select the clip. This means clicking on it so it's highlighted and ready for you to work your magic. Now let's move to the Effects tab. You'll find this tab either at the top or the bottom menu of the interface, depending on the version of CapCut you are using. This is the area where all the visual effects are housed, and it's where we'll find the perfect VHS effect to transform the look of your video. After clicking on Video Effects, you're going to want to navigate over to the Retro category. This is where you'll typically find effects that evoke styles from past decades, including our sought-after VHS look. However, if you're having trouble locating it in the Retro category, don't worry. Simply use the search bar feature. Just type in VHS and CapCut will show you the options available that fit your query. Once you've spotted the effect you're after, for instance, the one literally called VHS, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice an option to add to timeline. Make sure to select this as it applies the effect directly to your chosen clip in the timeline. Now, this is where some creativity and custom tweaking come into play. With the effect now added to your timeline, you have the chance to adjust it to better fit the vibe you want for your video. Look over on the right side of your screen and you'll see a set of controls. These allow you to fine-tune the effect, adjusting aspects such as intensity, color distortion, and flicker. Play around with these settings until you're happy with the look. This part is all about personal preference, making the effect as subtle or pronounced as you like, while bringing in that quintessential grainy VHS aesthetic. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your regular clip into something that feels wonderfully vintage and full of character. This VHS effect is perfect for creating music videos, short films, or any content needing that touch of retro nostalgia. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. See you next time.